Hi students, today I will show you how to use Canvas. Our class this quarter is a hybrid class. I will see you 2 times a week at the college. The rest of the time you will need to work on Canvas. You will need to work online on your computer. This is your Canvas dashboard. Okay, this blue box is a message from the college. You can read it if you want. If you don't want to see the blue box, you can click the X at the top right of this blue box. This is the dashboard underneath the message from the college, or below the message from the college, and you will look for our class. This quarter is winter 2023, and that is written below the writing on this Canvas card. This is our class for winter 2023, ELA Hybrid Level 20-2. Okay, so when you have your little hand, your cursor here, click on the card. And here is the home page. Do you see these blue words? This is called the blue navigation bar. This is the left navigation bar. All right, so this blue navigation bar is here. This is the home page. Please read the message first of all. And here it says this is part 1. Let's read the title first. There are 2 parts to our class this quarter. Part 1, we will meet in the classroom on Monday and Wednesday from 9:30 a.m. to 11:20 a.m. Part 2, we will do work on Canvas, okay, online. Now, to get to Canvas, please go to the bottom of this page. To get to the work on Canvas, go to the bottom of this page. Do you see here? Here are the modules for each week. So if you click on here, click on this blue link right here, you will go to the week 1 module, January 3rd to January 6th. So click on there to get to the first week, okay? Every box here is called a module. You can click on this arrow to make it bigger, to show you more information. This is all about listening, how to listen to the textbook. You can click on the arrow again to make it go away. Okay, so here we are in the week 1 module. You're going to click on here, and these here are pages. Okay, so we have the title here. The title of the module is Week 1, Module 1, January 3rd to 6th. No class on Monday. In the book, we will study the Welcome Unit and Unit 1 and Unit 2 in our textbook. And there's a little bit of information here about what we will study for this week. Okay, so you can see there are many pages in this first week. Every week, I want you to start at the top. Okay, so whenever you see this, let's see here. Do you see this one here? You see my hand? Now I can click. Here I cannot click. Do you see the line here? There's a line. You cannot click the line. But once you see the hand, do you see the hand? You can click. This is page 1. So always start at page 1 to get to the work on this page. Please read the instructions or the directions here. Read all about this assignment. Do you see the yellow and red picture here? That means this is an assignment and you will get 10 points for finishing this assignment. So it's very important to do this work here. Okay, let's go back. You can click the back arrow here, or you can go to previous, which means you go back. Click on there, or you could go to next as well. Let's actually go back to home. go to the navigation bar here and click Home. And again, if you want to go back to week 1, you can go to the bottom of this page, click on this blue link here. Here is week 1. All right, after you finish page 1, you can go to page 2. You see the yellow and red icon again. That means it's important. You will get 10 points for this. You click on there to get to this assignment. Read the instructions. Let me show you what it looks like for you. Sorry. This is what it looks like for you. Here's the instructions. Read the instructions. You can see here that to finish this assignment, you will get 10 points. When you are ready to start, you can click this blue button to take the survey. Survey means you need to answer questions. All right, so you're going to answer the questions here. The first question, where are you from? Write your answer in the text box below. Here is the text box. So you're going to write, where are you from? You can say, I'm from Canada, period. Go to the next question. My personal email is, write in the text box. So for me, it's Shauna, whoops. Here is my email address at edmonds.edu. That's my email. Then you go to the next one. So answer, what is your cell phone number? You can write your cell phone number. Go to the next one. When you are finished this survey or this assignment, you're going to click here, submit quiz. Do you see on the bottom right, submit quiz, you submit. Okay, and you are finished that assignment. To go to the next page or the next work, click next. Okay, and here is your next thing to do. You're going to read. This is just a page to read. Okay, so please read this. This is all about nouns and verbs. You're going to read carefully. When you're finished reading, go to the next page. And here already we're on page 4. If you want to go back to the beginning, remember, always go back to the home page. The most important thing to remember is go to the bottom of the page, click on the week 1 or click on the module that you want to work on. And always, always read the title, read what you will learn, and always start with page number 1. And then you can keep going, page 1, then do page 2, then page 3, page 4, and always do the work. When you see this yellow and red icon, do the work and you will get points for your class. All right, we can go over more in class. Thank you, everybody.